All right, here we go. It's the 3rd of June, 2026. I am up $298 on the day and would have been up over 300 if I didn't lose money in Asia session. I lost like $7 in Asia session getting stopped at break even, which was stupid, but it is what it is. This first trade in Asia session, honestly, I really messed this trade up because um, basically, we had absorption outside of value area. Came down. This was like a tape speed entry where the tape sped up. I entered, and I ended up actually moving my stop to break even once we took this low, and got stopped out at break even. Unfortunately, on this blue candle. So too bad. I mean, I think that there was honestly no reason to move. I think this was just an error, like on my part. I don't really think there was a reason to move my stop to break even after taking this low. There's not really any absorption. There's not really any reason we should go back above. At least this is value area high from value area high from regular trading hours. And here I was targeting the POC of the session, so this was actually a good trade. The second trade was also actually this was a really good trade. I thought this one I was waiting on this for a while. This was another break even, and this is actually where I lost the money on the break even. I think it was because like it got stopped out so violently. Like this was a big move down. So this trade had a lot of stuff going for it. I'm not gonna lie. We had a CVD right here where we took this low and then we didn't take it here. We had good absorption under two key levels, the POC and the VWAP of this session. And then this was another tape speed entry. We had a pretty aggressive push here, so I entered. Obviously some absorption here, but it wasn't. It was looking good for longs. Like I was waiting after this push down, and I saw these two levels, and I was kind of waiting for a while. I was waiting for a CVD. I was waiting for confluences, and we actually got like a lot of good stuff here with the CVD, the two levels. Um, it was pretty good. The absorption, now that I look at it, it wasn't really as clear, but either way, got a good move up, and then I was targeting RTH value area high, got stopped to break even, lost money. It is what it is. Coming into New York session, so those were the Asia session trades. Down $7 after that, unfortunately. Coming into New York here, I was gonna be bullish on the day as long as we stayed above here. And look at this. This is a great trade. This is a great pre-market trade right here. Anyway, I was going to be bullish as long as we stayed above this level. And these levels, like there was a lot of like resistance here. We had the overnight low down here as well. Just mark that out. I didn't actually mark this low, even though we end up getting down there. I think we get down there. At least I didn't mark it, but I was actually looking for a move down and then obviously, or a move down then a move up. So bias was bullish. Now when we open this, I immediately was leaning. I mean, I was still leaning bullish, but the way that we take these all-time highs is just such a clear like reversal here. I mean, look at this. Like this is very clearly not going to continue up. And yeah, we actually come down and we hit we hit the London lows, and now I was like, okay, like well, let's see what happens when we get to this level. At this point, this was too big of a drop for me to like just take a short from here. I probably could have. There's a short I could have taken, but it wasn't really that. It wasn't really that good. So I was just sitting here. I was just like, I was looking for longs here. We broke back above. We broke back above this. Move this up. we broke back above this level with some pretty heavy volume, and I was looking for some confluence to go long, but we end up just coming right back down through this, and or wait, it's not here. Yeah, I was still looking for longs here because of this, the way this level was holding, but it doesn't end up holding. We end up coming through it, and I didn't enter, and then we just sell off, and I'm just gonna speed this up even more because this sell off is quite large. Like, bruh. So at this point, I was like, damn, well, I definitely missed this move. And, okay, so down here, we have 19K on this candle, which is pretty crazy. There wasn't like a level or anything down here, but this is, for me, this is looking more like a reversal candle than just like a retrace, because 19K is a ton. We have a ton of absorption as well, and I think I had marked off, yeah, this low at this point. I don't think we ended up getting down here, but at this point I had this low marked off. We were pretty far from it still. But, so here I was actually looking at longs, and I was looking at longing from these levels here. And let's see. So I do end up getting my entry here pretty soon. It was right at the 10 a.m. candle. So why was I looking at longs here? Number one, the CVD sellers are pushing way harder than they are on the chart. Like, we already took this low, and we have absorption below this key level here. Why is this like not? Can we just like please make this a little bigger, bro? Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, so we have absorption below this low. Now, this was kind of my first confluence to go long. We also had news at 10 a.m. So I knew that the news was going to inject some volatility, and I was just kind of waiting here because I was like, I don't really know if I want to enter when this news is coming out. I do end up actually entering with the news, which, like, normally would I have entered with the news? Let me go to 8x speed. I just want to get to the end of this candle. So this is when the news comes out. So immediately, right, I see it come out, and we make another CVD. So took this low on price, didn't take it here. So this is where I get my entries after this tape speeds up a lot, and buyers really start taking control. And we break above this. Wait, where is it at? It's coming up, right? Oh, I'm still on 1x speed. Let's go to 8x speed. Okay, right here. So tape speeds up. Buyers push us above this level. And I had my entry here, had my stop there, and I was targeting right here. Good trade, honestly. The CVD, we actually had the double CVD here on the lower time frame, which is good. We have two levels, which are the overnight low and then the RTH value area low. And we have the tape speeding up. I love the tape as a entry confluence, obviously. So, yeah, good entry, good trade overall, I think. I did go break even at this internal high right here when it gets taken. So I'm break even now. And what I see at this point is I see a pretty banger looking short setting up. So first of all, we're making another CVD. I think we make like 3 bearish CVDs in this like leg up. That was the first thing that was like, oh man. Now I just sat in this, like I just held this, like my stop was a break even. And I thought here I was like, okay, well that was good. Like when I first saw that candle form, there was a lot of absorption. But the thing is buyers are just getting absorbed. And when I saw this candle coming down, I thought for sure I was going to be stopped at break even, honestly. And honestly, if I was not in this long, I probably would have taken a short right here on this sell candle. Because we have another, like, the thing is like the CVD is not, obviously it's a lower high. This is a higher high. Like we're making higher highs on this, we're making lower highs on the CVD. So that was, I mean, would I have actually taken this short? I actually maybe wouldn't have because there was no key level here. Oh wait, no, there was. So I think the reason, yeah, I mean, I was looking at this volume profile too. There was a low volume node here, and there was the VWAP. So this actually really, I mean, it really does look like a good short. So yeah, I probably would have taken this short, honestly, if I wasn't in this long. Luckily, I was in the long, and luckily I didn't get stopped to break even. Because if I got stopped to break even, I might have just straight up re-entered this short and gotten absolutely crushed. So here, this move down failed. I was like, okay, we're pretty much set now. Probably at least gonna go to this. So this was the trade, and I did sit on here a little longer because this was pretty quick, obviously. There it is. Yeah, hit take profit. So I mean, again, yeah, like honestly, this short I think was really good. Like I think this was a really good short. We have the CVD, we have the move down with the low volume node, we have VWAP right here. Like I think it was a really good short. I think the only thing that's not great about it is obviously we have 2 key levels stacked and we have POC down here, but there's only 1 here. So either way, I think that would have been a good short. It would have gotten stopped out. Whatever, doesn't matter. I did stay on here a little bit longer. And we started to get some of the most ridiculous price action I've ever seen, so I did end up getting off. It was right here. We're stuck between value area high and POC of the previous day, and this is just like, I was watching this play out, and I was like, what is going on? The volume, like, picked up a lot here. Like, we were getting a lot of volume, and we were just absorbing on both sides. And I was just like, wow, dude. I honestly probably still be bullish here because we got above this low volume node and we got above POC. Like, I think we're probably going to be bullish here. But I did get off here because when this started chopping, I was just like, oh, yeah, let's see. We're breaking up. Let's see if we actually get a test here. Oh. Wait, maybe I didn't get off yet because I feel like I was still... Wow, yeah. This is some bro moment right here. Okay, that's gotta be it, right? No, it's not it. Are we gonna move up here? Like, bruh. Holy dude. Hold on, I just want to see if we end up going up, because I think we are gonna go up. Is there an entry here for me? We have these 2 key levels stacked. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go down. Okay, well, I'm glad I got off because this is definitely would not have been any more trades for me. This is ridiculous. So we're not going up, it looks like. We're going down. Yeah, this is this is I'm glad I got off. This is insane, dude. Dude. Absolutely no edge at all in this condition right now. I'm just going to keep playing this through. Is there, like, anything I would have taken here? I doubt it, bro. This is some brutal... This is absolutely brutal, bro. This is horrible. What are we looking like? Look at... Wow. So we just have these 2 levels here, and we have VWAP and POC of the current session, and it's just... This is a range right here. This is quite the range. Every breakout is failing. Oh, this is where we are now. I mean, longs here look good. Not really. Honestly, nothing here looks good. Yeah, I'm glad I got off. This is horrible right here. But anyway, that was a trade. Pretty unfortunate that the Asia session trades went kind of not great, but still made it back here, so... yeah, great. Going great this week. So, hopefully going to keep this up tomorrow. Hopefully we won't get more of this tomorrow because this is just crazy.